Well, hi everyone. I'm Vicki, and what a great way to start my morning than being with you. Okay, woke up, was sitting, laying there, thumbing through messages and some emails, and someone had a challenge for me, and was how quick can you throw together a meatloaf? Okay, nothing's together. I'm just going to do it as quickly as possible, and you can start the timer on me in just a minute because I have to have a sip of coffee. Gotta have that before I even start. Okay, we're gonna throw together a meatloaf and see how fast I can do it. Nothing's prepared, so we're just gonna put it together. All right, let's start now. So we've got some hamburger, we've got some amino acid, got egg, got some microgreens, we've got some veggies and odds and end cheese. I know I've forgotten something, but I'll cross that bridge when I get to it. Okay, a pet hamburger that I got from the butcher shop. It's about 3 pounds, and I only need about 2 pounds. So, okay, got 2 pounds of hamburger over there. So we're going to throw in some orange bell pepper. I like the way the green ones look. I just can't eat them. They give me indigestion. But it's funny, you've heard me say this, I can eat the orange, yellow, and red fine. And it's a good time for a challenge. I need lunch for the guinea pigs today, and I hadn't cooked anything. I was actually trying to figure out what I was going to cook. So it's a good time. You know what? I'm fixing to run and turn the oven on 350 or 375, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it on convection. Onions. I don't know if you like onions in your meatloaf. I do. And I'm going to throw some microgreens in this one because I got fresh microgreens from the show over in Waycross, Greenway Gardens. Got great microgreens and other veggies. I love using fresh vegetables that are local. Going to the farmers market shows are great. You know, they can be really fun for the whole family. All right, I got to remember this is a challenge, and I got to not talk as much while I'm doing this, so I may stick some music on behind it. So got that. I'm going to put 1 egg. This is a duck egg. Throw some microgreens in. Whoops, I need some salt and pepper. And a little garlic and herb seasoning. About a teaspoon. Maybe a teaspoon and a half. Yeah, I like garlic. Salt. Fresh ground pepper. Now I love fresh ground pepper. Fresh ground pepper tastes different than, oh hush Vicki. Fresh, I can't do things and not talk. Fresh ground pepper tastes so much better. So, than just regular boxed. Pick me up. Okay. You know I keep my aminos in the kitchen spritzer. And pumping it up. Spray a little. What am I forgetting? Oh, when you get through using it, take the pressure off so it won't mess up your spritzer. Because it doesn't need to have the pressure on it. I know. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Breadcrumbs. Y'all know I don't eat breadcrumbs. Are you timing me? Whoops. Okay, good way to get your aggression out first thing in the morning. I really don't have any aggression right now. Y'all see my smiley shirt? I'm having fun. All right, breadcrumbs, done. What am I forgetting? Ah. We help to have a loaf pan. All right. I don't want to work the hamburger too much. Have you ever had hamburger and it's kind of tough? It's probably because you smashed on it, worked on it too much. So I don't want to do that. But I do want to get everything incorporated. pretty good. A bit more. Remember, this hamburger was cold. Right out of the refrigerator. Everything was cold. All right. I knew I forgot something. Cannot have meatloaf without cheese. That's what I get for hurrying so fast. See, I screw up too. All right, I just grabbed what open cheeses I had, so I'm probably gonna put a combination. What have I got in here? I have Colby Jack and a little Gouda. That sounds good. If I had put that in the oven, taking it out without cheese, I'd have been so mad with myself. But hey, I'd have eaten it anyway. And I'd have kept my mouth shut and not said anything about it at lunch today. Yeah, we'll have to tell everybody your mix-ups. You know, sometimes, well, most of the time, nobody would ever know. Okay, cheese. I think I'm gonna save a little bit of that for the top when it's almost done. Yeah. All right, let's get the cheese in. You got your stopwatch ready? Because you have to stop it when I get it in the pan. You can't count the cooking. Challenge is, how fast can you fix up a meatloaf? Mix up a meatloaf. And I wasted some time forgetting the cheese. Okay, beautiful meatloaf, ready for the oven. Okay, how fast was that? And it's ready to go in. Okay, there's some meatloaf all together. I'll be back and show you what it looks like. So let's do a quick cleanup. So when the meatloaf comes out, I'm ready to go have lunch with the guinea pigs. And you know, I deserve a second cup of coffee. It's a good cup of coffee. Great way to start the morning cooking. So there's the timer. The meatloaf has had 5 minutes to sit and rest. And let's see what it looks like. Oops. I don't want to hear that keep beeping. Okay. I took the meatloaf out and let it sit and rest for 5 minutes because I want the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. I want a nice and juicy meatloaf. And here is our beautiful meatloaf. Okay, I'll check the timer and see how long it took. But I think I did pretty good. What do you think? Okay, let me hear where you're watching me from, please. And let me know how you like my recipe. I can post it. It's just a quick and easy meatloaf. But the thing was, it was a challenge on how fast I can get it together. I think it was probably about somewhere between 12 and 15 minutes. So I'll post that. But have a wonderful day today. Give someone your beautiful smile. You like my smiley face? Makes you feel good inside. You know what? You just could make their day. Come back and see me often. And as always, everything you've seen me using is Pampered Chef. And you'll find the link to my Pampered Chef store on the description and on the post in Facebook. So, bye y'all. See you later.